shouldn't have bothered yourself. I can always order food for us to eat.
Daddy, why? I mean, not when you have a woman now in the house. I'm not complaining. Henceforth, Daddy, I will be making you meals. No more orders, no more eating out. It is my responsibility now to see that you're well fed.
Thank you so much, my daughter. You may not know how I feel now. Do you know what it means? To have a child that you can call your own, and the child cooks for you. Have you been able to imagine staying alone? I've been lonely for the better part of my life. Many years now. No child, no wife. And you came into my life. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Daddy. Besides, Daddy, I should be the one saying thank you. I mean, for bringing me into your home. I am grateful, sir.
My daughter, you are so beautiful with a beautiful soul. Honestly speaking, I am very, very proud to have you around me. You've really cured my loneliness. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Daddy.
Believe it, I'm only controlling my tears as a man. You've really occupied the vacuum in me. I'm so grateful to have you around.
The pleasure is mine, sir.
Let's eat.
Thank you.
This is your food, huh? Yeah.
Hey, bro. Please. I'm pressed. I need to pee. Help me, please. Please. I need to pee first before I eat. I'm very pressed. Help me. Just untie me. Please. Thank you so much, man.
Ow! Take this. So you're alive. Hey. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up. Get a hold of yourself.
The people who kidnapped me are somewhere around. We need to leave here.
Okay. Don't bother yourself. You're ready in my care and protection. Hey, oh my God.
I need to drink some water, bro.
I understand. I didn't know you were alive. I thought you dead. Don't worry. Let's go straight to my house. I'll give you both water and food. After which you will tell me your story. Okay? Boss, I'm telling the truth. I swear, I didn't know how the whole thing happened. I didn't know. You know I'm loyal to you. There's no way I can't even betray you.
So that man offered you money?
No.
You collected money from my enemy?
No. He didn't offer me anything. I swear.
Emeka.
No, now.
You collected money from my enemy?
No, I didn't.
How much did he give you?
He knocked me out and escaped right before my eyes. I didn't know how the whole thing happened. It was like a magic. I didn't know. Please, boss. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, please, boss.
Last chance.
Eh?
Last chance. How much did he give you?
I swear, he didn't give
Tell
me
me the truth.
No,
I don't want to talk to you.
Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Makano palo boko buru no kwanti chiria.
Young man, freeze! Hold it here. Do not move an inch from there.
Don't move. Which day this nonsense start? Eh? Which day this kind of nonsense? This kind of rubbish start for this village?
You will know the nonsense today if you
man,
try anything stupid. Young man, you are under arrest. Do not move an inch from there.
Yes.
Do not move an inch from there.
You a case! You a case for both of you to think that you can arrest me. When I know who na dey follow talk, Longinus, now they mad.
Who do you think you
Now
are?
they mad.
From there.
Try it and see. Take an inch and see what will happen to you now. You still get mouth.
Dalam. That one don't know boy, so one don't know boy.
Buronye kuru yakoga goro inanuya. Ajonda joka zeluya. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Ajonda joka zeluya. Makano palo boko buru no kwanti chiria. Ajonda joka zeluya. Mpuronye kuru yakoga goro memesia.
Coming.
My daughter, I have a good news for you.
What's that?
Wonderful news. Eric is alive. He was rescued by the police.
Eric!
Yes. As I speak with you, he is on his way to the city. That means he's going to be here, hot and hearty very soon.
Oh my God! Are you serious?
I'm dead serious about this.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. I'm excited.
You should.
Oh, I'm so happy.
I told you not to worry yourself that you must be back to us.
You said so, Daddy. Thank you for all the moral support. I love you. You are one of the best things that have happened to me in life.
I love you too, my daughter. Do you know what should bother you now?
Oh.
I want you to start thinking of the best thing you can do for him. His delicacy, his best meal. What do you think?
What do you think I should prepare for him?
Allow me to think. Yes, beans and plantain.
Okay, you know
Porridge.
what?
Or better still, rice and chicken or any of these
Daddy, not to
traditional
worry.
food.
I just thought of something. I just thought of the right food to prepare for him. So not to worry. I will do just that. Eric! I'll put something together. What about Longinus?
Don't talk about him. Longinus is marble stone dead. That was the information from the police. Don't let him spoil our mood, please. Get cracking immediately. Go and prepare something for Eric.
May God forgive his soul.
I'll be part of the meal.
May God
Get
forgive his
prepared
soul.
for Eric, please.
Eric.
I will join you.
Okay.
In a jiffy, I'll be here in a jiffy.
Okay, Daddy. Yes, I am. I'm looking forward to seeing him already.
I was going to see you again. You were such a brave man.
Thank you, Doctor. The thoughts of Ojuka kept me alive. I had to stay alive. I had to stay strong for her sake. Where is she?
She's in my house. Yes, she's at home right now.
I need to see her as soon as possible.
You will see her, but again, you have to take first aid first. I know she wouldn't like to see you looking horrible. She would like to behold your handsome face again.
Alright. Can she see now?
Yes, she can see you very, very well now.
Her sight is restored?
Completely restored. And I want you to be happy with that. At least she can behold your face again.
That's right.
I think the most important thing is to take care of this wound. I wouldn't like her to see you looking horrible. Okay? So let's go and take care of the wound first. Okay? Ujuka! Is she okay? Uju! Daddy is home. You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm sure she'll be very excited to see me.
I hope so.
Eric!
It's me.
No,
It's me.
no, no.
No?
What is it? Uju, what is it?
What is this man doing here? What is he doing here?
This is Eric, the young man that saved your life.
No!
Don't you recognize my
This is the young man that saved your life. What
Is she okay?
I can't fix it myself.
Why is she screaming? She doesn't recognize my voice.
Dad, I haven't been entirely honest with you on how I became blind. I never told Mr. Eric as well, because it is something I never want to talk about because of the pain it brings to my heart. It was in the year 2006 when some politicians came to our village from the city for campaign.
Hey! Both of you, come here. So I'm too small that you can't recognize my presence. You walk past without greeting me. How dare you?
Excuse me. Who are you? Because I don't seem to recognize you.
He's a small politician.
aid that came for campaign in our village now.
Hey, are you trying to say you are new in this village, or you don't know the position my father holds, or you are simply stupid and daft?
I don't see any reason for this insult. I simply do not know you. The only authority I recognize in this village is our king and the royal family, not some strangers that just came into our village to stay for a while and leave.
You can just stop talking. Sir, please forgive us. Forgive us for everything. Please forgive us for not greeting you, please.
And what about you?
I can't remember wronging you in any way to warrant an apology. Let's go.
Get her.
We are sorry. Stop. We are sorry.
You lost your manners.
Stop crying, please. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that I couldn't revenge what they did to you. I was not that strong. If only your father was around. I'm so sorry, Nicola.
But Mama, I have to do something. I can't bear to see her in this condition.
Okay, what do you want me to do? Let's do something. Okay. This one's not fair. Let me run around. Let me to know if I can get us some money. Oh, I'm coming. Because of money. Look at my daughter's eyes. Because I couldn't afford the surgery. Because of money. Halele. Halele Bugum. Oyadema. Ubiam, you have really dealt with me. You have dealt with me. And the death of your father, where says your Kurine? Where says your Kurine? Look at me. Mama. It's okay, stop crying, Stop crying. I believe that Chukwokikobiyoma will not disappoint me. God will not disappoint me. Remember what the doctor says? That you should desist from crying so that the eyes will not get worse. If you cry again, I'm still crying.
Mama.
Stop crying, Piccolo.
What am I living for? Having just one eye. Who is going to marry a woman with one eye?
Mama. Mama, this is so unfair of our G. I mean, how can my beautiful sister remain like this for life? I wish I'd laid my hands on that ball. Would have squeezed in my life.
Now because when you're old, he's only but a child. And why you former? Oh, he's a child, Don't go there, please. I pray and I believe that your sister will gain her sight back. Only God, only Chichukwu will do it for us.
Mama, does I grow after being damaged?
I was in so much pain. Excruciating pain for weeks. My mother rallied round some little money and took me to the village medical health center. But it was already late because the other eye has been damaged as a result of infection from the punctured eye. The punctured eye was left untreated for too long. There was nothing the village doctors could do about it. And I went blind. I became blind because of this beast. You took 15 years. 15 years of my life. My world was filled with darkness. Darkness you slapped me into.
I feel so ashamed of myself. I'm sorry. Wazico, I am sorry. I didn't...
How did I not even recognize you? I thought you were my guardian angel sent to me by God. But no. You are the evil. The devil I should have avoided in the first place.
Wait. Hold on. Don't crucify me. I was reckless while I was growing up. I was a very stubborn child. I had a rich father whose political position got me thinking I was on top of the world. It's all in my past. I'm a better person now. I didn't even... I apologize for everything. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
You know what? It is beginning to make sense to me now. Oh. You've been kind towards me because you recognize me. Yes, it is true.
No.
You were kind to me because you wanted to make amends.
No, Juka, no, that's not true. Listen, I didn't even know it was you. I didn't recognize you, honestly. I swore on my life, I didn't recognize you. I didn't know it was you. I didn't even remember. Please forgive me. Uchuka, you have to forgive me, please. Listen, wait. I'm sorry. I understand how you feel, but please, it's all in my past. I am a changed man now. I can't do anything to hurt you deliberately. Please, just...
Don't touch me. Don't. Now get out of here.
Please, forgive me. That's all. That's... Please.
Leave this place this minute. Now! Now!
Please. Young man. She has to rest, okay? It has gotten her up her butt here. Alright, just go for now, leave.
Go away!
Akwana kukolo bukani nako. Oh, ije love bukani nekuo. Oh, ije love. True love never lies. Oh, ije love bukani.
His father is a rich businessman and a politician. I want to believe he told you his story. He was adopted by rich parents who felt he's going to be their child after all. That was why he was so stupid, unruly, and extravagant and arrogant. That is why.
Really?
I know how painful it could be for the same man that inflicted pains and injuries to your heart coming back again as a saint to your life. I know how painful it could be.
Daddy, please. If you are here to convince me about Eric, I would suggest you forget about it because I am done with him. How do you expect me to be with someone who first showed me the wickedness of man? How, Daddy? I am done with him. It is over. I would never forgive him. Never.
My dear daughter, I am only trying to make you understand why he behaved the way he did. But growing up as a man made him to change to a better person. You see that boy? I like him and I call him my son.
Please, do not convince me about Eric. I don't want to hear about Eric again. Please, I would suggest you just stop talking to me about Eric in this house, please.
My daughter, where are you going to? Juaku, where? You walking out on me?
I'm so sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
What's wrong?
Nothing. I'm sorry.
Are you sure? That was so close. I almost knocked you down.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, please.
Hey. Come on. Tell me, are you okay?
I am fine. I'm sorry, please.
I don't mind if you share it.
No, not to worry. I'm fine.
All right. Please watch out next time, okay, when you're crossing.
It's alright, bro. It's alright, okay? Everything will be fine.
How's everything going to be fine? Do you know she's the reason I never gave up on freedom? And she just left me like that.
Listen, bro, I understand, okay? It's not your fault. I mean, shit do happen. Okay? Moreover, this thing happened way years ago. I mean, way back. So she ought to have forgiven you. Come on.
I understand. But I don't blame her at all. I took away her sight. I made her go blind.
Eric, for God's sake, you gave her back her sight. Okay? I mean, God used you to restore her sight. So why would she forgive you? Why?
You know, I feel so ashamed of myself. If I had realized she had gone blind, I wouldn't have come this far with her. I feel like... Bro, listen, she went blind because of me. And right now I feel like my past is haunting me. And I feel like a devil. Yeah.
Listen, Eric. Let me make this clear to you, okay? I mean, if I were you, I would be happy. You should be happy because God has given you one in a lifetime opportunity of seeing, recognizing, and asking her for forgiveness. So come on. What if you have died with your sins? Come on, bro. You should draw some consolations from that.
I understand. But I love her. And I feel like my heart won't be at peace if she does not forgive me.
Trust me, bro, you will heal, okay? You will. Moreover, you just returned from weeks of immense torture, so you need rest, okay?
Right. How do I look? My wound? Came better, right?
Come on, bro. You're good, okay? Just go and rest, alright? Please.
My daughter, are you sure you don't want to go out with me today?
I don't want to go out. Besides, I don't want to set my eyes on him.
But I can inform him not to show up. I will.
Dad, it's fine. Just go to work. Your patients will be waiting for you now. I'll be fine.
Are you sure? I can skip work today and just stay with you.
Dad, go to work.
You won't understand. You sure about that? You want me to go?
Dad, I will be fine. And please do not go to work worrying your pretty head about me, okay? I will be fine, and by tomorrow, trust me, I will go to work with you. And please do not go to work worrying your pretty head about me, okay?
You sure about that?
Yes, Dad.
It's okay. I must be on my way now.
It's okay.
Have a pretty day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh God, where are you? Chinenye Ubah. Life is so harsh on me, oh. So painful, so painful. She won't benye inopaya. Oh God, where are you? Ebeki no chuku. Life is harsh on me, oh. Afufu webuemwa, afufu webuemo. Batara mo senye makao. Ijuwa ma, ijuwa, ewo ijuwa, ijuwa.
Good morning. Good morning, sunshine. How are you?
Hi, good morning. Do I know you?
The guy that almost knocked you down yesterday.
Oh, my bad, sorry. I wasn't in the right frame of mind. I wasn't even looking. I'm sorry once again. Do you still want my apology?
You're very funny. I just rounded off from my gym, so I thought I should stop by and check on you and know how you're doing.
Oh, quite thoughtful. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, though I stand to be corrected, but I can clearly say that you've been through heartbreak recently.
And what are you? Some relationship expert?
Far from it. Well, I've been there several times. Just that I've never had my luck with women or relationship. Yeah. In fact, the one that finally decided to stay with me got drowned in the pool last year.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay. It's fine, okay? Now you see why I said I've been there. I've been there severally. I have been struggling so hard to get over it. It's almost a year now. So I understand perfectly how you feel. Okay? Sometimes it makes one unnecessarily aggressive. So aggressive and even sometimes filled with animosity, just as you were displaying the other day.
Like I said, I'm sorry about that day.
Uju, this is the 4th time you're saying sorry. The 4th time already. Okay? Come on, there's no need to apologize. I understand you perfectly well. I wish you speedy recovery. I just want you to know that some persons have been through worse. Worse. But I'm still here seated chatting with you.
And what makes you think or assume that I haven't been through worse?
Did you lose anyone? Alright, enough of my sad moments, okay? I would like to hear your story, please.
Mr. Eric, you really have to pull yourself together. You know, it is not going to be easy for her to forgive you, especially what she has been through.
Doctor, honestly, I regret everything. And sometimes I wish I can turn back the hands of time to right my wrongs and say I am sorry, but I don't know how to do that.
I know you acted like a child. I am not blaming you. But you see, it is not going to be easy for her to accept you after what she went through. So you have to take it easy with her.
Doctor, asking her to accept me is asking for too much. I just want her to forgive me. I feel so sorry because I know I was stupid as a young child, and you know, I just want to find ways to make her see that I'm very sorry, because I can't imagine what she's been through, you know, as a blind person. And to think that it's all my fault, I don't know.
My dear, forgiveness is a virtue, but again, it's not too easy to forgive. Not after what she passed through, like I said. Be patient with her. I know she is going to forgive you after, but just be patient with her. As regards to forgiving you, I will continue to talk to her on your behalf. Just be patient. With time, she will forgive you.
Thank you, Doctor. I appreciate it. means a lot to me.
Eric, I am not going to blame you. You were just a child. But you've grown up to be a better man. And that is why I love you so much. I am going to talk on your behalf. No doubt she will forgive you.
Whatever you sow, that you must reap.
Bro, there's this girl I met earlier on. I almost knocked her down with my car. Okay, so we got talking and I paid her a surprise visit after my gym. We shared our stories and guess what, bro? This girl is beautiful. Gosh, she's a princess. Ah. Eric. Eric.
Yeah?
I was talking to you.
Oh, sorry. What did you say?
I was telling you about the girl I met earlier on today. Oh. Bro, this girl is a princess. Trust me, she's beautiful. Oh, God.
Oh, congrats, man. I'm happy for you. I mean, you have decided to finally give someone a chance. That's good news.
Bro.
Yeah.
Don't congratulate me yet, okay? I mean, she hasn't said yes. Moreover, I am yet to give her my proposal.
Like, pop the question, yeah?
Exactly, bro.
Listen, what are you waiting for? I mean, you should do that as soon as possible. I mean, you don't know tomorrow. I feel you should be fast about that before someone takes her away from you.
You know, Eric, I have told you times that number. Your choice of words, you know?
Oh yeah, I mean, you might lose her.
Come on. Nobody's dying tomorrow and I'm not losing anybody.
Oh, okay.
Okay? I am not. And I'm also praying to God to bring you another angel.
Another angel?
Yes.
Why?
Because you need one.
No, I don't need one. I already have one.
Trust me, bro, you need one.
No, I don't need one. I love her. I do. So I don't need another angel. I don't. You do.
Who is there?
My daughter. Would you somebody wants to see you, sweetheart?
Who?
Eric.
Dad, please tell him to go away, please.
Please, on my behalf, would you forgive him? He's here with me, please. Let him come and see you.
Dad, please, I don't want to see him. It is over between us. Tell him to go away, please.
For my sake, please, would you let him see you? Please.
I don't need his apology. I don't want to hear anything from him. Please, just tell him to move on with his life and leave me the hell alone.
Uju, I would like you to understand, but if you insist, I'll tell the young man to go. He should go. Eric, let us go.
You're not looking bright today at all. What is it?
Do I look sad?
Well, today's own is different. In fact, today is so conspicuous enough for everyone around this environment to notice. Please, do not make them feel we're quarreling, okay?
He came again.
Oh, why can't he just let you be? I mean, why can't he just let you be and stop disturbing you? Why?
I don't know what's wrong with him. I really can't tell what's wrong with him. But the thing is, I'm trying so hard to get him off my mind. I will get him off my mind very soon.
I understand, I do. I understand you perfectly well. Okay, I know how difficult it is for you to get someone you genuinely love out of your mind. It's not that easy, you know.
I wish he could stop coming. I wish to see less of him. His voice irritates me. It reminds me of how I fell in love with him the first time I heard his voice as a blind girl.
It's fine, okay? It's fine. All I want you to do is take it easy on yourself. Okay? I believe everything will be fine. You will heal again. Trust me.
Thank you.
Now I'm happy. You're smiling. More like it. What's going on? Why are you avoiding me? Look, for God knows what, you've been avoiding me and... Come on, baby. If there's anything I have done, okay, please, tell me. I will apologize here and now.
You've done nothing to me. Absolutely nothing. As a matter of fact, I find you to be perfect. You are such a perfect gentleman. And that makes me wonder why you've been unfortunate, or should I say unlucky in relationships. Or is it that my gender are too blind or unintelligent to spot a genuine and sincere man like you?
Baby, I believe God has a reason for everything and for everyone.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I started avoiding you in recent time. But you see, the truth is, I needed time for reevaluation. I needed time.
To think that my brother was right after all. He said the same thing to me too.
You have a brother?
Oh yes, I do. I have an elder brother. In fact, I have an elder brother whom I have told so much about you. I cannot wait for him to meet